Welcome to our Countertop Showdown. Today we are diving into the world of ice makers, specifically comparing the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker. If you're in the market for a new ice maker, this video will help you understand the key differences between these two popular models. We'll look at their ice types, daily production capacities, and pricing to determine which one is the best fit for your home or office. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker specializes in producing soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for those who enjoy a unique texture in their beverages. On the other hand, the COWSAR Ice Maker produces classic bullet ice, which is more common and suitable for various drinks. While both types have their merits, your preference will depend on the kind of ice you enjoy most in your drinks. When it comes to daily production capacity, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or heavy daily use. In contrast, the COWSAR Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. If you frequently host parties or need a lot of ice, the EUHOMY may be the better choice. Price is always a significant factor in any purchase decision. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and higher production capacity. Meanwhile, the COWSAR Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at $109, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice may hinge on whether you prioritize features or affordability. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The EUHOMY is perfect for those who love chewable ice and need a high production capacity, while the COWSAR is ideal for budget-conscious consumers looking for a compact and efficient ice maker. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.